Hi everyone, very good morning. My name is Tanis and today I'm very happy to announce yes, finally the wait is over. Nico Home 9 is coming with new launch in Baglur KITB. After successfully launch of Nico 7, Nico 8, now it's time to invest in properties in Nico 9. You know the best part? Nico Home 9 is not falling under the Karnataka Industrial Area Development Boards. It's a freehold properties. It means you can sell easily. This land is owned by the Bharatiya City Builder. Why to consider North Bangalore and especially Baglur? Because in North Bangalore में lots of futuristic developments हो रहे हैं. Land availabilities है उस area में. That is why government is giving land to the tech parks. They are coming towards only in the North Bangalore. But why especially in Baglur? What are the factors and logics depends? The main important thing is that yes, recently Metro Baglur is coming directly connecting to the Dorjala Blue Line जो एयरपोर्ट के पास है. The announcement हो गया it's upcoming metro stations. Second, 2,700 completely dedicated for the commercials of more than 500 global companies is coming. Boeing and Saplab is already operational in that locations. We have example of Whitefield ITPLs and Manyata Tech Parks. Manyata Tech Parks, Hebal and Yalhanka was outskirts 4-5 years, 7 years back. People used to afraid to invest in that location. Because of the Manyata Tech Park 300 acres, Hebal location got a very good response in the market price in the higher side. So again, here we have 2,700 dedicated for the more than 500 companies. It means 10x of Manyata. Then you can expect here more rental yield and as well as for ROI if you will sell. If you see the history 4 years back, Baglur, the people those invested 60-70 lakhs in a compact apartment, they got a very good response in the markets. Now the resale price is 1.1, 1.2 CR. Yes, but now I would suggest you apartment sizes is good North Bangalore's and especially in Nico 7 because they have very good architectures. They are designing a very open space and way window concepts. You are watching this video at initial stage. Just now we have started collecting expression of interest. So at the time of launch, bare minimum you can expect 6 to 10 lakhs profits if you submit the EOI today now. This project is spanning in 13 acre of land parcels. Only 10 premium towers is coming. 2 basement ground plus 17th structures. And we do have studio 2 BHK, 2.5, 3 and 3.5 BHK. We don't have 4 BHK because Baglur is basically designed for the pure investments. 1 lakh square feet of clubhouse. As of now, we are collecting expression of interest EOI. As soon as you will submit the EOI, you will get first preference to come and select the unit as per the Vastu, which floor you want, which facing you want. You will get multiple options as per the convenience you can select. Second, pre-launch price you can avail. We are collecting 3 and 5 lakhs rupees, bankable EOIs, online payments and generating the priority numbers. On the basis of the priority, you will get called to come and check sites at the time of launch. For submitting the EOI, you can call me in this given number. I myself will personally assist you. If you want more details before submitting the EOIs, you can also WhatsApp and call me. I'll definitely forward all the layouts, floor plans, all then you can take a better calls. And if you want Kidanis come to my place and explain the details, then we'll take the call. Definitely I'm ready to do. You just call me in these numbers. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you got a clarity. Thank you.